Xiaomi.
National Innovation Program RAA, implemented by Unised, is rigorously working towards providing innovative solutions for supporting quality education in the rural and hilly areas of India through experimental learning.
We are planning to come up world-class primary education program, all kind of technology, AR, VR, AI and augmented reality through their emotional intelligence. Very soon we will come up with the chain of Unised International Primary Education Program, and the same program will support government education kids also at various parts of India as well as in Middle East countries.
This innovation has laid down its inventive roadmap to access digital and case study based, interactive and engaging experimental education in the country after COVID-19.